This video I will explain, can a browser run without an internet connection? A browser is a program on your computer or phone that helps you to open the websites. Most people think a browser only works when the internet is connected. But the truth is, a browser can still run without an internet. But what you can do with it is limited. What you can do without internet? Even if your internet is off, the browser itself still opens and works as a program. You can view saved web pages. Some browsers store copies of the pages you visited earlier. It is called cache. You may be able to open them offline. You can use offline apps. Some web apps like Google Document can work in offline mode. They save changes locally on your device and sync later when you are online. You can read downloads. If you have downloaded a PDF, HTML file or other document, you can open it in the browser without needing the internet. You can play offline games. Some browsers like Chrome even have small offline games when no internet is available. For example, the dinosaur jumping game. What you cannot do without internet. Without an internet connection, you cannot open new websites because the browser needs to request those pages from the web. You cannot stream videos or music from online platforms. You cannot use online tools because that require constant updates from the server, like YouTube, social media, or live news. Why this happens? Browsers act like a messengers. They take your request, send it to the internet server, and bring back the website. Your browser makes requests to the websites. Without internet, the browser cannot reach the server. That's why you only see an error message or offline content that was stored earlier. Now we will see the summary. What works offline? Yes, a browser can run without the internet, but it is limited. You can still open the program, view hashed pages, use offline apps, read downloads, play offline browser games. What does not work? You cannot visit new websites or use online services until your internet connection is back. So the browser itself works offline, but its main purpose, which is accessing the web, needs the internet.